Hello, you can now vehicle rates at go to the go to the admin of shuffle system and vehicle and select vehicle and go to the page buttons prices and you can change the prices. This one initials, yeah, whatever is and after update is okay, and you can page edit all pages. You want to about us page, this one edit with Elementor. Edit this Elementor loading. And you want to change the text, this text, this blue color, this pencil, this one, select and left sides, and you can left sides and you can change this and text and select and changes and update. I finish.